Hello dear children, welcome back to your online biology class. We have completed all the portions for semester 2 from biology. You have to study lesson number 9 for your forthcoming assessment, that is assessment 3. What is the name of that lesson? Yes, living organism, characteristics and habitat. In that lesson we have discussed about different types of habitats, adaptations, etc. And also we have discussed the characteristics of living things. Do you remember? Very good. Children, then what is habitat? Yes, the natural surrounding where an organism lives. There are two main types of habitats. Which are they? Yes, terrestrial habitats and aquatic habitat. You can tell different examples for each habitats. Can you tell some examples for terrestrial habitats? Yes, desert, mountains, grasslands, etc. Then what about aquatic habitats? Yes, ocean, lake, ponds, etc. We also discussed the adaptations of animals and plants which are present in each habitats. So, to live in different habitats, each organism shows different adaptation. Then only it can survive in that habitat. So, let's start with desert. Desert is a terrestrial habitat. Different types of organisms are living in this type of habitat. For example, mainly camels. Then different types of rats, rabbits, snakes, etc. Camels having very long legs to keep their body away from the heat of the sand. Mainly we can see sand in the desert. Then it also excretes very less amount of water because, as you all know, desert is the place where we get very little amount of water. Then what about the other small animals? They live in burrows at daytime and they will come out from the burrows at night to search their food. Then what about plants? Yes, leaves are absent in the plants which are present in desert because to prevent the loss of water through transpiration. We can see spines instead of leaves in such plants. And it also having very long root to absorb the water from very deep of the soil. And the next habitat is mountains. Different animals and plants shows different adaptations to live in mountains. In the case of plants, they having sloping branches and leaves are needle-like. It helps the water to slide off easily. Then what about the animals? Most of the animals having very thick skin or fur to protect their body from cold. Okay. Then what about grassland? Speed is an important thing to live in grassland. Aquatic habitat. Fishes are common in this type of habitat. They having streamlined body. Some other animals also present in water. So that also we have discussed in this chapter. Hope all of you have read and studied these all adaptations of organisms very well. Then, after that we have discussed about different characteristics of living things. Living things shows different characteristics like living things grow, living things move, then living things respire. Different animals having different organs to respire. Then, living things reproduce, living things feel the changes around them, etc. So children, while doing revision, You have to read the lesson first, then go through the text exercises and also study the notes. Attend the live revision sessions without fail. It is very important. So we'll meet in the next class. Until then, take care and goodbye.